Hi, this is Jürgen Hohen. This is a short session about website analytics. So I did a campaign in Facebook, Google Ad Managers, and Nextdoor for the Unsworth Foundation, Robert Unsworth Foundation promotion of youth tennis, Woods and White's fundraiser. So here you can see that, right, for what it was. And now let's go to the analytics in this was on the traffic in Squarespace versus Bluehost. And what you can see here is on the left, right here on the left, you can see website, product, service, invoicing, content, and then analytics for traffic. And visitors was 506. I ran a campaign for 1 week, 5 days in Google, 5 days in 25 miles within the Reno area, geofenced it. What was the bounce rate? Pretty high, meaning people went in, looked at it and said, oh, wrong website. I don't want youth tennis, I want tennis shoes, right? Unique visitors was almost 500, 484, and page views, 736, which is huge. And so you can see here, but they didn't all come from Facebook. A lot came direct, 191, if you look here. Facebook, 177. Google Ads, 55. Instagram, 20, and others, right? So that's pretty interesting. Most were on mobile. You can see that right here, mobile. The next portion was desktop, right? And the next portion was then tablet, and the few unknown. So nobody was using their PC for this. Now, what kind of browser? Android, 175, Safari, 87, Facebook app, 81, right? Chrome mobile, 55, and others. And then the operating systems, Android, iOS, Fire OS, Windows, and others. So, you can see it's either iOS or Android and a Fire OS. And then this is how you can find that, right? How many visitors by day? Traffic sources. And that's how you can find out, what they visited. Did they visit the Woods and White's fundraiser? 528 did that. Average time on page, 2 minutes and 9 seconds. So they read it. Home, not so much. Event RSVP, 44 hit that. So Bluehost, Squarespace, GoDaddy all have similar kind of analytics like this. And if you really want to find out, then okay, your average time, 1,013 seconds. That's almost 2 minutes. So anyways, with that, thank you so much. Have a great day.